Cacao powder benefits. Hi guys, welcome to Healthy Bodies. We provide daily videos on a wide range of health topics, so please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you will never miss any of our updates. In today's video we look at the amazing health benefits of raw cacao powder. Raw cacao, not to be confused with cocoa, is made from cold pressed raw cacao beans, ensuring that no nutrients are lost by heat treating. This is distinctly different to cocoa, which has been roasted and heavily processed. Therefore, raw cacao maintains its high nutritional profile, making it a superfood loaded with antioxidants and nutrients. The health benefits of raw cacao are fantastic, and it's hardly surprising. Cacao is one of the most powerful antioxidants on the planet. Its antioxidant powers are 40 times more powerful than blueberries, which in itself is a superfood, and 119 times more powerful than bananas. It has the highest plant-based source of iron, provides more calcium than cow's milk, and is a great source of magnesium, all essential nutrients for the health of our body. The benefits of raw cacao are only found in the raw form, and here is a list of the top 10 benefits that can be obtained. Number 1. Happiness. Cacao contains anandamide, sometimes referred to as the bliss molecule, which binds to receptors in the brain, creating a sense of ease and happiness. Not only will consuming cacao improve your well-being, but it can also combat mood swings by boosting serotonin levels in the brain. It can also act as an antidepressant. So whenever you're feeling down, your emotions are running high, or perhaps you simply just need a pick-me-up, then consuming raw cacao can be a great remedy. Number 2. Fatigue. If you're feeling tired and exhausted despite getting a good night's sleep, then there's a good chance that your magnesium levels are low. Fortunately, raw cacao is an incredibly rich source of magnesium, which can significantly boost your energy levels. Number 3. Skin care. Cacao is incredible for vibrant, healthy skin because it contains flavonoids that work to increase blood flow to the skin's surface. This increased blood flow can promote cell regeneration, which is necessary for glowing skin. Number 4. Aging. Not only does the consumption of raw cacao improve the quality of your skin, but it can also prevent premature aging. This is because cacao contains an abundance of antioxidants, which protects skin cells from destruction and helps the skin feel healthy and youthful. Cacao has the same polyphenol antioxidants as green tea, and everyone knows how healthy green tea can be. Next time you eat raw cacao chocolate, why not try it with a cup of green tea and obtain twice the benefit? Number 5. Digestion. Raw cacao is rich in dietary fibre and magnesium, so consuming on a regular basis will prevent constipation and overall enhance your digestive health. Cacao contains the right type of fibre and healthy fat, which helps promote gut health and a balanced digestive tract. Cacao fibre has been shown to feed the healthy flora living inside your gut. Healthy intestinal flora can help improve digestion and gut health, enhance immune function, and help balance your natural hormone levels. Number 6. Coughs. Studies have shown that theobromine, which is found in cacao beans, is quite effective at treating persistent coughs. It is believed that theobromine acts on the vagus nerve, a nerve responsible for coughing fits, and may work better than codeine. So next time you have a persistent cough, it may be worth trying a cup of hot cacao powder and see if that does the trick instead. Number 7. Dental health. Theobromine is not just great for coughs. Studies have also shown it may be more effective at preventing cavities and protecting against tooth decay than fluoride. The main reason why is because these compounds have antibacterial agents. Those agents fight against plaque while also working to harden tooth enamel, reducing the chances of tooth decay. Number 8. Brain function. When you consume cacao, flavanol antioxidants get absorbed into the bloodstream and accumulate in the hippocampus, the region in the brain responsible for memory and learning. These flavanols then work to form new neurons while improving their functionality and protecting them from destruction by free radicals. This all helps to improve cognitive function. Number 9. Cardiovascular. Cacao consumption can also help lower blood pressure. Furthermore, raw cacao can also lower LDL, or other words, bad cholesterol, and raise HDL, the good cholesterol. This is due to the extremely high quantity of antioxidants found in cacao, which protect lipoproteins from oxidizing or reacting with free radicals. High cholesterol levels can significantly increase the chances of developing heart disease. Raw cacao is an anti-inflammatory and heart protective antioxidant, so consuming raw cacao, for example in chocolate, can reduce the risk of stroke and help improve blood circulation. Number 10. Weight loss. Yes, you can actually carry on eating cacao chocolate and still lose weight. Contrary to what some weight loss programs advise you, you need healthy fats in your diet to stimulate chemical reactions responsible for immunity, growth, and a healthy metabolism. When consumed in its purest form, chocolate made from unprocessed raw cacao beans is an incredible source of healthy fats. Cacao can also help you lose weight. This is due to raw cacao's MAO inhibitors, which reduce appetite. So as you can see, raw cacao is truly an amazing superfood and can provide a huge range of health benefits. And imagine this, what if you took raw cacao and then combined it with other superfoods such as turmeric, for example, for even more incredible results? Well, check out our number 1 health food recommendation in the description below, because that is exactly what's been done. We hope you found this video useful. We have many similar videos being released shortly. So please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And that way you will catch all the latest updates. Until next time, goodbye.